In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Zapier. This is a fantastic process for anyone looking to automate their online store's workflow by integrating various apps for a smoother, more efficient setup. Trust me, it's not as complicated as it might sound. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make your way to the app connection area within Zapier. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be able to connect various apps to create automated workflows, or zaps as they call them. Once you're on Zapier's homepage, look toward navigating to their app connection section. It's right there on the main menu for easy access. You'll then see an option labeled Apps. Click on this to proceed. It will take you to a comprehensive library of applications that Zapier can connect with, broadening the horizon for what you can do with your Shopify store. Here, you'll find a well-organized selection of potential app connections. Each promises to add something unique to your business processes. Next, head straight to the app connection option you'll see located on the upper right corner on this page. By clicking here, you're essentially beginning the bridge building process between Shopify and Zapier. We're almost there, so stay with me. In the search bar that appears, type in Shopify. This will narrow down the vast list to just the app we're interested in, and there it is. Shopify will pop right up, ready to be connected. All you need to do is click on Add Connection. This step is absolutely crucial because it tells Zapier which specific app you want it to interact with. Now, the last part is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is follow the on-screen prompts that appear once you've hit Add Connection. Zapier will typically guide you through a series of steps ensuring everything is correctly linked. During this process, you will likely need to provide authentication details for your Shopify account. This step ensures that Zapier has the correct permissions to access and automate tasks between your Shopify store and other selected apps. Throughout this process, remember to pay close attention to each instruction. If at any point you feel unsure, it's best to pause and review to make sure everything is set up correctly. And don't worry, even though there are several steps involved, taking them one at a time makes it much more manageable. With everything set up, you'll now have Shopify connected to Zapier, opening up so many possibilities for automating tasks that will save you time and streamline your business operations. Congratulations, you've just embarked on an exciting journey of automation that will undoubtedly enhance how you manage your store. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.